Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Today's topic is tenses in French. So let's get started. A tense tells us when something happens. In case of tense in French, the verb ending is changed. There are three types of tense. Le présent, present tense, passé composé, past tense, futur proche, future tense. First is present tense, and in French, le présent. It is used for actions happening now or regularly. Example with the verb parler, which means to speak. Conjugation: je parle, tu parles, il parle, and for female, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, and for female, elle parle. More examples with le présent. Je parle français. Nous parlons anglais. Next is past tense in French, le passé composé, used for actions that already happened. In French, past tense is often made using two parts. The structure for passé composé is subject plus the helping verb plus the past participle. Example with manger. J'ai mangé. Tu as mangé. Il a mangé. More examples. J'ai regardé un film. Nous avons étudié. Note: most verbs use avoir as the helping verb. The last type is future tense, le futur proche, used for actions that will happen later. Structure for futur proche is aller, to go, plus verb infinitive. Example: je vais manger. Tu vas manger. Nous allons étudier. Just remember, you need the verb aller and then the main verb stays in its basic form. More examples for le futur proche. Je vais apprendre le français. Ils vont voyager. Now let us compare the three tenses together. Je mange.
I eat.
J'ai mangé.
I ate.
Je vais manger.
I am going to eat.
Je joue.
I play.
J'ai joué.
I played.
Je vais jouer.
I am going to play.
Je lis.
I read.
J'ai lu.
I read.
Je vais lire.
I am going to read.
Je regarde.
I watch.
J'ai regardé.
I watched.
Je vais regarder.
I'm going to watch.
Je parle.
I speak.
J'ai parlé.
I spoke.
Je vais parler.
I'm going to speak.
Je travaille.
I work.
J'ai travaillé.
I worked.
Je vais travailler.
I'm going to work.
Je danse.
I dance.
J'ai dansé.
I danced.
Je vais danser.
I'm going to dance.
Je chante.
I sing.
J'ai chanté.
I sang.
Je vais chanter.
I'm going to sing.
Je marche.
I walk.
J'ai marché.
I walked.
Je vais marcher.
I'm going to walk.
Je regarde la télé.
I watch TV.
J'ai regardé la télé.
I watched TV.
Je vais regarder la télé.
I'm going to watch TV.
Here are some more examples for le présent. Je mange.
I eat.
Tu regardes.
You watch.
Il joue.
He plays.
Vous écrivez.
You write.
Elle danse.
She dances.
Nous étudions.
We study.
Vous écoutez.
You listen.
Il parle.
They speak.
Il travaille.
He works.
Elle chante.
She sings.
Nous marchons.
We walk.
Je lis un livre.
I read a book.
Tu aimes le chocolat.
You like chocolate.
Il regarde la télé.
They watch TV.
Here are some more examples for past tense, which in French is Passé Composé. J'ai mangé.
I ate.
Tu as joué.
You played.
Il a regardé.
He watched.
Elle a chanté.
She sang.
Il a étudié.
He studied.
Elle a dansé.
She danced.
Nous avons parlé.
We spoke.
Vous avez écouté.
You listened.
J'ai fini mon travail.
I finished my work.
Tu as aimé le film.
You liked the movie.
Ils ont visité Paris.
They visited Paris.
Here are some more examples for future tense, which in French is futur proche. Je vais manger.
I am going to eat.
Tu vas jouer.
You are going to play.
Il va travailler.
He is going to work.
Je vais lire.
I am going to read.
Tu vas écrire.
You are going to write.
Il va dormir.
He is going to sleep.
Elle va chanter.
She is going to sing.
Nous allons apprendre.
We are going to learn.
Vous allez regarder.
You are going to watch.
Ils vont voyager.
They are going to travel.
Now let us do some quick practice. Pick the correct option for the English sentence.
I ate.
Here are options. Option A is Je mange. Option B is J'ai mangé. And option C is Je vais manger. And the correct answer is option B. J'ai mangé.
I am going to play.
Here are options. Option A is Je joue. Option B is J'ai joué. And option C is Je vais jouer. And the correct answer is option C. Je vais jouer.
I speak.
Here are options. Option A is Je parle. Option B is J'ai parlé. And option C is Je vais parler. And the correct answer is option A. Je parle.
I watched.
Option A is Je regarde. Option B is J'ai regardé. And option C is Je vais regarder. And the correct answer is option B. J'ai regardé. Another practice exercise for you all. Here you have to change the given tense into past and future. Let's start. Je joue. Change it into past tense and future tense. For past tense, it is j'ai joué. For future tense, it is je vais jouer. Je danse. Change the tense into past and future tense. For past tenses is j'ai dansé. For future tense it is je vais danser. Je travaille. Change it into past and future tense. In past tense it is j'ai travaillé. For future tense it is je vais travailler. I have a little task for you all. Use je mange and je joue to make one present sentence, one past sentence, and one future sentence. Write your answers in the comment section. Au revoir, bye. Please like, subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Au revoir, bye.